Hey guys, what is going on? It's your boy Daring Dave 7 bringing you my fellow riders' sick flight 2008 GSX-R 600. Let's get it on. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming by today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you have any ideas for the next video or give some feedback so that I can better this channel and the content. I will be doing more gameplays, reviews, motovlogs, so don't forget to subscribe and get the latest update on this channel. I'll see you guys when I see you guys next time. Peace.